Our today's topic is our environment from grade 3rd. Environment. Everything which is around us makes up our environment. Environment consists of both living and non-living things such as man, tree, plants, insects, birds, marine animals. These all are living things. Living things which can move from one place to another place. Living things which can inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Non-living things. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another place. They cannot breathe. Examples of non-living things are soft toy, air, water, land, sunlight, ball, bat. These all are non-living things which you can see on drawing. Environment is consists of both living and non-living things, but some human activities are harming our environment. We will talk about such human activities. Water pollution. Throwing garbage directly into water bodies, bathing animals, washing utensils make the water dirty and unfit for drinking. This polluted water is harmful to marine animals such as fish. Drinking polluted water leads to many diseases. This water pollution is very dangerous for human health. Air pollution. Harmful and poisonous smoke that is emitted from cars, buses, scooters, trucks, factories, etc. pollutes the air that is around us. This smoke not only pollutes the environment but also affects our health. Burning of plastics or garbage and bursting of crackers also causes air pollution. Land pollution. Land gets polluted by garbage, trash from homes and industrial waste. Dirty water from sewage also causes land pollution. Land absorbs the polluted water and these in turn reduce the fertility of soil. Extensive use of pesticide and fertilizer also contaminated the soil that creates land pollution and damages the land. Land pollution is very harmful for the fertility of land. Noise pollution. Any unpleasant or disturbing sound is termed as noise. The sound of cars honking, speeding buses, people speaking loudly in public places, public transport, vendors selling their goods in the market, noise from industry and factory, bursting of crackers, etc. causes noise pollution. Loud noise can affect hearing. They can damage our hearing capacity and make us deaf. Noise pollution is so much dangerous for newborn baby. Noise pollution creates many heart disease also. To save our environment, we should take some precautions. And now we will talk about some small precautions which can save our mother nature. Our mother nature can be saved by planting more and more trees, growing more and more trees, and using eco-friendly transportation. Our mother nature can be saved by stop deforestation. By stop cutting the trees, we can save our Mother Nature. We can save our environment by stop using polythene bags. We can save our Mother Nature by using less polythene bags. Don't burst firecrackers, and car owners should take care that smoke coming out of their car is not too harmful.